Linde Home Care France animates consistent ecosystem with healthcare actors to propose adapted services with the guarantee of the well-being of patients treated at home. For sleep apnea, we maintain optimal and reactive resolution to our patient with the support of innovating solutions, medical equipment, and reactive services. To support home care patient adherence to their treatment, we conduct innovative digitalization initiatives to support the massive digital transformation of its activities. The better understanding of patients' pathways, profiles, interventions capabilities, and patient treatment adherence enablers are crucial to provide more tailored services impacting the patient adherence to the treatment. To go beyond the existing monitoring solution called LISA, Linde brings to the DIH for CPS project an experimentation aiming at developing two innovative applications to support the improvement of internal patient management processes as well as the personalization of patient treatment. These applications are based on the augmentation of the patient sensing environment through the harvesting of new IoT devices and the development of a CPS approach implementing artificial intelligence solutions. In this perspective, the first application orchestrates 14 software features to be used by Linde managers and technicians to improve the interaction processes during patient treatment with more effective information and actions. The second application orchestrates 13 software features to be proposed to the patient in a progressive and comprehensive protocol according to the evolution of this therapy.
For the Linde experimentation, the expected operational impacts can be summarized at two levels. For the internal business activity organization, the proposed application and related management features will help Linde managers and technicians to optimize patient treatment setup, to prepare and organize better the home care visits, and to reduce the unnecessary patient calls. For the patient side, the proposed application and related patient-centric features will help to reduce patient anxiety through real-time access to treatment-related data, as well as contribute to increasing the patient observance over 4 hours.
Linde Home Care France conducts a research project since 2019. This project deals with several innovation concepts such as patient pathway design, patient profile, tailored intervention, design, and delivery. The implementation of these concepts contributes to the release of the proposed software features according to the three main innovation levels. The first one, to improve Linde internal monitoring process. The second one, to improve the new concept already described and validated in home care related scientific research. And the third one, new concept proposed by this experimental consortium.
The ICT for Manufacturing DEH supports the proposed experimentation at three levels. The first level concerns the refinement of Linde requirements, the analysis of the state of the art related to home care patient monitoring concepts and applications, and then the identification of the main software features impacting the Linde business activities as well as patients' treatment pathways. The second level covers the design of 27 architectural building blocks and their specifications at the business, functional, and application viewpoints. The third level provides the most adapted solution building blocks, implementing the proposed concepts and releasing the two main proposed applications in an agile way.
For the design phase, the new IoT devices provide more than 100 new monitoring parameters to be analyzed from the quantitative and qualitative perspective. They contribute to create the value of the software features and shape using advanced machine learning solutions. To route patient pathways and related profiles, the proposed services are orchestrated according to the patient's treatment evolution. Adapted strategies are considered according to the evolution of the treatment, effectiveness, and the patient consumption of the proposed services.
For the implementation phase, the used technologies are selected to enable a current encapsulation of the technological assets. All the software features are developed following an agile methodology. Each feature is assessed at the mock-up level by Linde managers and technicians to confirm its business relevance or its applicability to support the patient's home care therapy. After the implementation, internal tests are performed to approve each feature as a valuable artifact.
The proposed applications are to be used for the decision support perspective. For the verification and the validation phase, a testing protocol will be proposed with close respect of GPDR, ethics principles, and best practice in the healthcare domain. The validation of the proposed concepts, models, software features, and related application will be carried out on selected candidate patients by the end of 2021.